Hi, my name is Laksana, just an average person who's trying to be consistent. I document my own consistency journey online, and I also help people stay consistent with doing positive things in their life. This is August 15th, 2025, and this is going to be day 403 of consistently helping people build consistency. I believe one of the biggest problem why we cannot be consistent at doing something is precisely because we do not have enough focus. We tend to get distracted by social media and other entertainment, and also we tend to fall to this thing called the shiny object syndrome. Okay, so let's say you want to be consistent at doing something, like you said, you at the beginning you kind of think that, oh, this thing is very very cool, I want to be consistent at this thing, I want to give all my time, all my energy, and yeah, basically be good at this one particular thing. Okay, but the next 1 week you don't see any results and it starts to get boring. Well, the thing that happens here is that you found another thing that you think is way more fun and way more interesting. You found another new shiny object, and then you think to yourself, oh, you know what? Yeah, forget about this one thing. Let's move into this new thing. I want to be consistent at doing this thing. But then the cycle happens, and again and again and again. You get bored again. You don't see any results again. You found another thing again. You stop. You stop being consistent. Well, how can you even be consistent at doing something if you keep on changing the thing that you want to be consistent at? So I argue one of the best solution to this problem is to basically improve our focus. We need to have a really crystal clear idea of what is the thing that we want to be consistent at. How do we do this? I believe journaling is one of the best way on how you can do this. Do this in the morning, okay? Just basically grab on a pen and a paper and then basically write three things. One, what is the thing that you want to be focusing on right now? Okay, the thing that you want to be consistent at right now. And two, you are going to be writing why do you want to be consistent at doing that thing, why it's important. And three, you're going to be writing what is the thing that you are going to be doing precisely because you know that this thing is important. So, for example, oh yeah, I want to be consistent at exercising. Why? Oh yeah, it's because exercising is really important for my health. I want to be able to maintain my health. I want to be strong. I want to build my discipline. I want to have some self-respect for myself and also respect from other people. And lastly, since precisely I know that exercising is important, what is the thing that I'm going to be doing? Okay, so for example, oh yeah, this is not medical advice. For example, oh yeah, I'm going to be doing 10 push-ups every single day because I know exercising is something that's important. That's my commitment. So basically, you just keep on writing the same thing, journal the same thing over and over and over again every single day. This is basically making yourself know what to focus. One another thing that you want to be writing down on the paper is to basically remind yourself that this is a long run game. Okay? Have some healthy expectation of how things will turn out. Do your own research. Like, hey, if you are expecting that you are going to get some really big muscle by doing 10 push-ups every single day, well, you are not going to get it. Okay? You need to do more than that, and also you need to have a healthy level of expectations of the results that you are going to get. By having this realistic expectations, the probability of you staying consistent at doing that thing is going to be higher because the results and your expectation is going to synchronize. You are less likely to forget the thing and jump into new things because, hey, it's kind of aligned with my expectation. The results kind of align with my expectation. So that's how you actually be consistent at doing something. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join our Discord, link on the description. And this is for today's date authenticity post, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I edited it by myself.